Hello everyone, today we will be seeing another very exciting system, and this is SIM, Structural Illumination Microscopy. This system is from Zeiss and it is SIM 5 system, which I am going to show you today. So please follow me. This is the SIM 5 system, which you can see the latest model which has been introduced into the market early this year. And this is basically a latest generation of the ELIRA series. So, the ELIRA series, which was in the market for quite some time, and it had the SIM, and it was a classical SIM, and then from the classical SIM, Lattice SIM was introduced. Lattice SIM was introduced, but there was only one model and it was quite flexible. So, people who wanted to do single molecule localization microscopy, wanted to do turf imaging, for them it was like an additional accessory. But now 3 divisions have come. The basic system comes with the SIM alone, and you have options of dual or single camera for multicolor imaging, and the high end system comes with the SMLM along with the SIM square. So, this is the SIM square system, and it is, as you can see here, the Lattice SIM 5 is the name. So, this module is the Lattice SIM 5. And as you can see, this is the Axio observer, which is the same inverted microscope frame which has been used for all high end systems from Zeiss, again keeping the same Zeiss trademark, the white and black design. And the major difference here is not the microscope frame, but this black box. So, instead of having that large incubation black box, this has become a much more compact box, which is very sleek in design, and inside you have a incubation box as well. So, it is much more compact, at the same time easy to use for all the users, and especially keeping in mind with the easy of use for the students. It is very easy, they are all electronically controlled, and this is the scanning platform or the scanning stage, and there is one small thing, use of DI water only. So, this is a auto immersion module, which is also a very recent addition to this particular frame, and it gives a very interesting fact that when you do a long term live cell imaging, this will help to maintain the immersion constant even if you are doing for 10 hours, 12 hours, or even for 2 to 3 days. This, along with the drift compensator, actually gives you a worry free long term imaging. Right. We also have the piezo controls. So, piezo control is from here, and the other difference is basically the incubation system, which comes from IBD. So, this IBD incubation system is being used along with it. The rest of the controls are same, but there is another difference is in the laser module. Earlier you can see the size of this laser module, which is quite small, very small. Earlier the same box used to come with LSM 900 as far as the size is concerned, but now this comes with more power and more output. So, this is a revamped, or you can say laser 2.0 with higher power and higher wattage, and this is very compact. Labs which have space constraints, I think definitely with a small and smart packaging with a minimal footprint, this gives a value addition to your labs. that's all I have to show you. So, about the SIM 5 system, the Lattice SIM 5 is all new in the market. So, please go through the website and check out for more further details.